A warm welcome to KVS Guru. My dear 9th class students, sorry, yesterday some disturbances arises. డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వల్ల బయాలజీ క్లాసు తర్వాత మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ క్లాసు రెండు అర్ధాంతరంగా ముగించాల్సి వచ్చింది. ప్లస్ మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పటికీ కొద్ది మందికి మాత్రమే రీచ్ అయింది. దట్స్ వై ఈరోజు మళ్ళీ మొదటి నుంచి ముఖ్యంగా సార్ ఒప్పుకోలేదు, నేను అలా చెప్పను, మొత్తం కంప్లీట్గా మన పిల్లలందరికీ అందాలని అన్నారు. సో కాబట్టి నిన్నటి క్లాస్ కంప్లీట్గా ప్రైవేట్లో పెట్టేశాము. ఇప్పుడు మీకు రెగ్యులర్గా యాజ్ యూజువల్గా జరుగుతుంది. సార్ వెల్కమ్ నాయుడు సార్. ఐ థింక్ దిస్ విల్ బి ద ఫైనల్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అనుకుంటా.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, sir. You can continue, sir. I am giving a screen sharing option.
Okay. Thank you, Shankar. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Good evening, children. Welcome back to today's session. That is linear equations in two variables. Last session of this particular chapter, as we discussed previously about the linear equations and the applications of linear equations in daily life problems also. At last, some standard equations regarding the linear equation, that is particularly x-axis, y-axis equations and the lines which are parallel to x and y-axis. So that we have discussed previously. So now just 5 minutes we will recollect back what we have discussed previously, and then we will move to the last exercise of this particular chapter. So now before starting this, let us observe, children, what we have discussed day before yesterday, that is previously. So that we will recollect back 2 minutes once. So observe, children, what we have learned previously, that is, here is the graph sheet. This is the horizontal reference line x-axis and this is the vertical reference number line y-axis, and the meeting point of these two we will call it as origin. So generally origin is denoted with O or 0. So this is towards positive direction 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and toward the negative axis -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Toward the positive y-axis direction 1, 2 and 3. Toward the negative direction -1, -2 and -3. So this is the Cartesian plane on which the coordinate axes are drawn. And that now, as we already discussed, this is called x-axis. So if you observe every point on this, it has some x distance, but there is no vertical distance or y distance. So for every point on x-axis, as we know that for every point on x-axis, y value becomes 0, so that this is considered as the general form for x-axis. So that is itself is called the equation of x-axis. మీరు ఈ x అక్షం మీద ఉన్న ప్రతి బిందువును కానీ పరిశీలించినట్లయితే మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. దీని మీద ఏమవుతుందంటే x దూరం మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. 1,0, 2,0, 3,0, 4,0, similarly 5,0 likewise, and -1,0, -2. సో ప్రతి బిందువు యొక్క y దూరం అంటే y అక్షం దిశలో దూరం 0 అవుతుంది. Therefore, which we can write y equal to 0 is the common property satisfying for every point on the x-axis. అంటే x అక్షం మీద ఉన్న ప్రతి బిందువుకి మన కామన్ గా సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యే ధర్మం ఏమవుతుందంటే y is equals to 0. దీన్నే మనం ఏమంటాం అంటే x అక్షం యొక్క సమీకరణం అంటాం. x అక్షం. Let us observe the points on y-axis. This point, if you want to know it, along the horizontal direction no movement, so only vertical distance, which we can call it as 0,1. This is 0,2, and similarly 0,3. This is 0,-1, 0,-2, 0,-3. So for every point on the y-axis, if you observe, the horizontal distance or the distance along the x direction is 0. So for every point on y-axis, horizontal distance or the x value becomes equals to 0. So therefore this is called the equation of y-axis. అంటే y-అక్షం మీద ఉన్న ప్రతి బిందువును మనం పరిశీలించినట్లయితే x దిశలో దూరం ఏమీ ఉండదు, 0. y దిశలో మాత్రమే, అది ధనాత్మక y దిశ అయినా అవ్వచ్చు, రుణాత్మక y దిశ అయినా అవ్వచ్చు. సో ఆ విలువ మాత్రం ఉంటుంది. సో ప్రతి బిందువు పాటించేటట్టు నియమం ఏంటంటే x ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అనేది common property for every point on the y-axis. Therefore, x equal to 0 is called the equation of y-axis. So, x equal to 0 ను y-అక్షం యొక్క సమీకరణము అంటాం. Now, let us observe. I'm going to take a few more points. Let us observe here. This is 2, 0. This is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, -1, 2, -2, 2, -3. If you can observe these all the points, x distance is fixed. It is always 2 units, and whereas y distance is different. So if you join this line, if you can observe, this is the straight line which it is passing through all these points, and we can name this as x is equals to 2 is the common property. So from this, and not only this, let us discuss one more point. Here I am going to take, this is one point, and for convenience here I am taking this is. If you observe these all the points, every point if you can observe -4, 0, -4, -1, -4, -2, and similarly -4, 1 upside if you can take -4, 2. So if you join all these lines, it is again a straight line. Observe these two lines. These two lines are parallel to y-axis. And if they are parallel, x distance is fixed. Observe here, x distance is 2 here. Here, if you can observe, x distance is -4. This is the common property for every point on this line. So from this, what we can say that any line parallel to y-axis will be in the form x is equals to k. Here this k is nothing but horizontal distance or the distance from y-axis. అంటే క్షితిజ దూరము, y-అక్షం నుంచి దూరం, y-అక్షం నుంచి x-అక్షం దిశలో దూరం అన్నమాట. So this is, so here x distance is fixed for every point on this line. Therefore x equal to 2 is its equation. Here k is 2. Here if we can observe here, x equals to -4. A is the common property for every point on this line. Therefore, this equation is named as x equals to -4. Yes, children. Now, I'm going to, these already we have discussed already, but once again, just reminding once again. Now, I'm going to take some points likewise. Here is one point. Here, this is. If you can observe here, y direction 3 units, x direction 1 unit, 1, 3. This is 2, 3. And this is 3, 3. 4, 3, and 5, 3. This is, and if you can observe here, this is -1, 3, -2, 3, -3, 3, and -4, 3. Here I have taken few points such that y distance is fixed. Then if you join all these points, observe children, here is also a straight line which it is passing through all these points, and this it is on this line for every point. The vertical distance is constant. So what y-axis distance is fixed, x direction distance is changing. Therefore, we can name this as y is equals to 3. So y equal to 3 is the common property. Let us consider one more line. I am going to take here this side now, negative axis, this point. If you can observe these points, children, observe here. If you take this point, -1, -1, -2, -1, -3, -1, x distance is varying, but y distance here also it is fixed. That is negative direction 1 unit. That is nothing but -1, what we can say. So if you join all these points also, let us observe that. Let us join these all the points. Yes, there is a line which it is passing through all these points. And this line, on this line, every point is also satisfying one condition, that y is equal to -1 is common. So from these two equations, what we can conclude is, మనం ఏమైతే చెప్పగలమంటే, if the line is parallel to x-axis, అంటే x అక్షానికి గాని సమాంతరంగా గాని ఉన్నట్లయితే, the y distance is fixed and it is considered as the equation. So here y equal to 3 is fixed. So this is considered as the equation of this line. And here y equal to minus 1 is constant for every point on this line. So y equal to minus 1 is called the equation of this particular line. So from this, what I will say, the fourth point is any line parallel to x-axis will be in the form y is equals to k. So here k is called the distance from x-axis or y direction distance. So y direction 3 units fixed distance. So y equal to 3 is this equation, and y direction negative 1 distance. Therefore y equal to minus 1 is this equation. So these are the 4 important points you should know about this before doing this exercise. I think it is clear. So equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Equation of any line parallel to y-axis is x equals to k. And equation of any line parallel to x-axis is y equals to k. So x-అక్షం సమీకరణం y equal to 0, y-అక్షం సమీకరణం x equal to 0, y-అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉండే రేఖ యొక్క సమీకరణం x equal to k, అండ్ x-అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉండే రేఖ సమీకరణం y equal to k. ఇక్కడ k అనేది స్థిర రాశి. y equal to k అంటే x అక్షం నుంచి ఉండే దూరం. x equal to k అంటే x అక్షం నుంచి y అక్షం నుంచి ఉండే దూరం, or x దిశలో దూరం ఏదైనా సరే. So I think it is clear. Now children, we will move to the exercise problems. Actually the last exercise here is the children. Let us observe. Give the graphical representation of the following equations. There are 5 equations which are given on the number line and on the Cartesian plane. Here 2 ways it is asked, on the number line and on the Cartesian. So first case I am going to take on the number line, first case. So this is on the number line. On the number line I am going to explain here. Children, please observe this. So what is the difference actually? If it is a simple equation, అంటే రేఖీయ సమీకరణం ఒకే చరరాశిలో ఉందనుకోండి, అలాంటి సమీకరణాన్ని సామాన్య సమీకరణం అంటాం మన తెలుగులో. ఇలాంటి సామాన్య సమీకరణానికి ఏకైక సాధన ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్, దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ సొల్యూషన్ విల్ బి ఆన్ ద నెంబర్ లైన్. ఒకే ఒక సాధన కాబట్టి సంఖ్యా రేఖ మీద ఒకే ఒక బిందువును తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది. దట్ విల్ బి హారిజాంటల్ నెంబర్ లైన్ ఆర్ ద వర్టికల్ నెంబర్ లైన్. అది క్షితిజ సమాంతరంగా ఉండే సంఖ్యా రేఖ అవ్వచ్చు, క్షితిజ లంబ రేఖ అయినా అవ్వచ్చు, రెండిట్లో. So now that's why I have drawn the horizontal number line and vertical number line. So the first one is x is equals to 3. Observe children. So this is first case I am taking on the number line. Ante deenini nenu oka samanya samikaranam, simple equation kinda teeskuntunnanu. So it has only one solution, x equal to 3. So it will be on the horizontal axis at wherever it is 3, there it will be the value of x. Observe children here. This is yes, this is x equals to 3, and this should be the solution for the given line. Since it is a simple equation, మీకు ఒకే సంఖ్యా రేఖ, సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్ సామాన్య సమీకరణం అయితే ఏకైక సాధన అది సంఖ్యా రేఖ మీదే ఉంటుంది, ఇంకెక్కడ ఉండదు. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్ లెట్ us take. So y plus 3 equals to 0. Y plus 3 equal to 0 means y equal to how much? Minus 3. So y equal to minus 3 means on the vertical number line. This is the solution for this, y equal to minus 3. And it has also only one solution. And next, third one, on the number line only I am talking. Y is equal to 4. It is very clear. Y is equals to 4. On the y-axis, 4 units. So vertical distance, this is y equal to 4 point. So this is the solution for the given line, simple equation that is. And now 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. From this, what is 2x value? 9. And the value of x is equal to 9 by 2, which it is nothing but 4.5. So x is 4.5. That means on the horizontal number line between 4 and 5, exactly in the middle, there will be a point which it is the solution for the given simple equation. Adi ఈ సంఖ్యా రేఖ మీద ఈ పాయింట్ లో ఉంటుంది. This is the 4.5 value or 9 by 2, what we can call. And finally the fifth one is 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. So 3x is equals to minus 5 and the value of x will be equals to minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3 means if you can write this is 3 1 are 3. So which will be minus 1 2 by 3. Minus 1 and minus 2 by 3, that is overall, that is minus 1 2 by 3 will be the result. That means after minus 1 and minus 2, if you divide into 3 equal parts, then this part will be the given solution, and this is the solution for this, and we can write it as minus 5 by 3. So if you consider on the number line, these are the possible solutions. అంటే సంఖ్యారేఖ మీద అనేటప్పుడు సామాన్య సమీకరణానికి ఏకైక సాధన ఉంటుంది. సో అది సంఖ్యారేఖ మీద క్షితిజ సమాంతరంగా ఉండే సంఖ్యారేఖ అవ్వచ్చు, క్షితిజ లంబ సంఖ్యారేఖ అయినా అవ్వచ్చు, ఇవి రెండింటి మీద ఏదైనా సరే. సో ఇది అయితే ఇదే ప్రశ్నని మనకి ఇంకోలా కూడా అడిగాడు. బి పార్ట్ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఆన్ ద కార్టీజియన్ ప్లేన్, అంటే మనం ఇదే రేఖని మనం రేఖీయ సమీకరణం అనుకుంటే, అంటే ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 అంటే y కూడా ఉంది అనుకుంటే y 0 అవుతుంది, 0 y, దట్ మీన్స్ y కోఎఫిషియంట్ 0. సో ఆ విధంగా కానీ తీసుకుంటే దెన్ వి విల్ డ్రా ఆన్ ద కార్టీజియన్ ప్లేన్. కార్టీజియన్ ప్లేన్ మీద అంటే కార్టీజియన్ వ్యవస్థ మీద రాసేటప్పుడు దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అండ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఇన్ఫైనెట్లీ మెనీ సొల్యూషన్. దానికి అనంతమైన సాధనలు ఉంటాయి. సో అందులో కొన్ని సాధనలైనా మనం రిప్రజెంట్ చేసి మనం చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం అయితే ఉంది. సో ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ ఇస్ క్లియర్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ మూవింగ్ టు ద సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఓన్లీ బట్ ఆన్ ద కార్టీజియన్ ప్లేన్. If it is a Cartesian plane, no doubt at all, we have to draw the graph. This is the graph, and this is the horizontal reference line, number line, x-axis, and this is the vertical reference number line. The meeting point of these two is considered as the origin, and as we know, this is 1 towards 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative direction -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Positive y-axis 1, 2, 3, and this is 4 also. Let us we have one more one. So this is -1, -2 and -3. Now I am going to plot this one. Since now we are assuming is as a linear equation, even though it is in one variable only, but the other variable 0 we will assume, and I am going to represent on the Cartesian plane. సో దీనిని మనం రేఖీయ సమీకరణంలో రెండు చరరాశుల్లో ఉండేది అని అనుకోవాలి. అలాంటప్పుడు ఏమో దీనికి అనంతమైన సాధనలు ఉంటాయి. సో నేను స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే డిస్కస్ చేశాను. అగైన్ నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ డిస్కసింగ్ ద పాయింట్స్. నౌ ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ అగైన్. సో x ఈక్వల్ టు 3. క్విక్లీ అండి, x ఈక్వల్ టు 3 మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్యారలల్ టు y యాక్సిస్ అండ్ 3 యూనిట్స్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ ద positive direction of y axis. So that means along the x direction, as we know that. So this point will satisfy this point, and this, all the points x equal to 3, but y becomes different, changes something. So y will be changing, that is. So since we are representing on the Cartesian plane, x equal to y, we can able to take any value, that is 3 0, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. Coefficient maybe 0. So -1, 3 -1, 3 -2, 3 -3. Now it is clear, children. Now let us join this by using the straight line. So this, it represents the x equal to 3, and previous one and this one, the difference is on the number line it has only one solution at that particular point. Ade bindu daggara sadhana untundi. If it is a Cartesian plane, it has infinite solution. That means a linear equation in two variables. So in that case, the y will be different values will be. So this is the equation, and few points which we have shown here. అలాగా మనం కార్టీజియన్ ప్లేన్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ చేసుకుంటే, దాన్ని ఎలా పొడిగించుకుంటూ పోతే, we can able to get infinitely many solution, and this is the line that it represents. I think it is clear. Now we will move to the next one. Y plus 3 is equals to 0, and this is y is equals to -3, and y equal to k is the line parallel to x-axis, and this k itself is the distance along the y direction, and y equal to something kabatti y direction lo, or from x-axis what we can. So -3 ante ikkada undi. So each and every point, this is, if you can observe, 5 -3 y, 4 -4 -3, -2 -3. So this is -2 -3, -1 -3, 0 -3, 1 -3, 2 -3. That means for every point here y equal to -3 is common. Now let us join all these lines. Yes, this is again a straight line parallel to x-axis. The equation of this straight line is y equals to -3 parallel to x-axis and negative direction 3 units. And the third one, y equal to 4, it is clear. Y equal to k is parallel to x-axis. Yes. And how many units away from here? K, positive direction 4 units. So parallel to x-axis 4 units. And here, actually at the top here, since I have taken the small graph, and you can observe here, these are the points which satisfy this one. Let us join all these points. You will get a straight line. And on this straight line, every point satisfies y equal to 4. So this is the equation of the straight line. And this will be parallel to x-axis. And final one more we have, and fourth one, 2x minus 9 equals to 0. From this, what is 2x value? 9 by 2. Sorry, x value 9 by 2, and the value of x, which is nothing but 4.5 it is. So 4.5. Observe, children. Now 9 by 2, 4.5 means x equal to k is the line parallel to, again, y-axis. And how many units? 4.5. That means between 4 and 5. So here every point satisfies this equation, 4.5. So by joining these all the points, you will get a straight line, and which it is passing through all these points, and the equation is x equals to 9 by 2. So parallel to y-axis and 9 by 2 unit. And if you can observe, every point on this x value is 9 by 2. That means x is 9 by 2 is common. That's why the equation is x equal to 9 by 2. And now finally we have one more, which is 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 5 by 3. As I said that minus 5 by 3 lie between -1 and -2 between. So here exactly it is not possible to, but if you can able to divide into 3 equal parts, so here it will come. So this will be the possible points, and you can join all these points. You will get a straight line, which it is nothing but x is equals to minus 5 by 3. So these are the different lines which we represented on the Cartesian plane. So because of representing on the Cartesian plane, it has infinitely many solutions, and few solutions that we have in it. అందరికీ విద్యార్థులకు అందరికీ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. సంఖ్యారేఖ మీద అనేటప్పటికీ ఒకే ఒక సాధనను మనం గుర్తించాలి. మనం అంతకుముందు కార్టీజియన్ ప్లేన్ అంటే కార్టీజియన్ తలం మీదకి వచ్చేటప్పటికేమో కొన్ని బిందువులు సమూహంగా తీసుకొని సరళ రేఖను గుర్తించాలి. అంటే దీనికి అనంతమైన సాధనలు ఉంటాయనే అవగాహన రావడం గురించి. I think it is clear. So we are moving to the next question. Gave the graphical representation of 2x minus same. In first problem we did 5, but again here one more extra it is asked. Anyway, so we will complete only, this is only the exercise, so that instead of wasting the time, so I'm going. Let us here one variable and two variables. In one variable means simple equation. That means on the number line only it has solution. అంటే ఒకే చరరాశిలో తీసుకుంటే అది సామాన్య సమీకరణం అవుతుంది. దానికి సంఖ్యారేఖ మీద ఏకైక సాధన ఉంటుంది. Two variables if you can take. Two variables if you can take means automatically what you can take? Y will be anything, that is. So here in terms of x is there. That's why I'm saying. So in that case, it is a Cartesian plane. అంటే మనం అంత ముందు చేసినట్టే Cartesian plane. So it has infinitely many solutions, and it will be a straight line. So let us draw the number line and Cartesian plane. So here, actually the question is 2x minus 11 is equals to 0. From this, if you take as one variable, no problem. 2x is equals to 11, and the value of x will be is equals to 11 by 2, which is nothing but 5.5. So since it is a simple equation, on the number line, అంటే ఒక వేరియబుల్ కింద తీసుకోమన్నాడు, ఒక వేరియబుల్ కింద తీసుకుని ఒక చరరాశి. So it will be the line which it is solution lie between 5 and 6. I think it is clear here. So between 5 and 6. So this point will be 5.5 on the number line. So for the first one, this is the solution. That's all. Only one solution. So this is. Now I'm going to take the second part. That is, now I'm going to take it as two variables. That means that 2x minus 11. That is 2x plus 0y minus 11 equals to 0. Something. y you can able to take any value. Because of taking y value, 0 into something is always 0 only. It will not change. As I said, that 2x is equals to, again, I am going to write 2x is equals to 11 and x is equals to 11 by 2. ఇక్కడ y 0y అని రాసుకోవడం వల్ల దాని గుణకం 0 అవడం వల్ల y మీరు ఏ విలువ తీసుకున్నా కూడా తృప్తిపరుస్తుంది. అంటే ఫర్ different values of y you can able to take, but x value must be 11 by 2. So if you want to do this, no doubt at all, horizontal difference number line we need and vertical difference number line, that is x-axis and y-axis, and the meeting point is origin. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and negative direction -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5 here. So upside, that is positive direction of y-axis, 1, 2 and 3. Negative direction of y-axis, -1, -2 and -3. Now x equal to 11 by 2. Why? You can take 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, anything. So x equal to 11 by 2. 11 by 2 is 5.5. So this is the point. So 5.5 comma 0. 5.5 comma 1. Why? Because 0 into y. This is in two variables. Y can take any value. Anything into 0 is always 0. So next, 5.5 into 2 y. 5 x must be 5.5. This is. And next, this is. And these are all are the points which satisfying the given condition in two variables. If you can observe, then it will be in Cartesian plane, and join this all, it will be the straight line which it is passing through all these points, and the equation of this straight line is x is equals to 11 by 2. So x equal to 11 by 2 is the straight line parallel to y-axis, and 11 by 2 units from y-axis, or 11 by 2 units along the x direction. అంటే x section దిశలో 11 by 2 units అని అనొచ్చు, from y-axis అన్నా కూడా సరిపోతుంది. So this same question we represented on the number line by assuming as one variable. If you assume as two variables, then it has a different solution on the Cartesian plane. It will be a straight line and it has infinitely many solutions. I think, children, it is clear. So we have, regarding problems wise, one more problem is only left. No problem. So remaining are general questions. So anyway, few questions are only left. Today is the last, so I'm going to complete, and it is easy for you, but my suggestion is as usual like previously. So once after listening the class completely, take a graph book and do each and every graph, or if it is a problem, do it in your book. So then you can able to understand better. So it will be concrete for you. మీకు ఖచ్చితంగా అది ఎప్పటికీ గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. So the next question, it is also the same model. It is also not the changing model, different, not model, different model. There is an equation on the number line on the Cartesian plane. On the number line means it is a simple equation in one variable we have to assume. Cartesian plane, like previously, two variables. So let us draw the number line and Cartesian plane. So first of all, I'm going to take the equation. Observe, children, here. So here, what is actually the equation? So what is actually the equation? 3x plus 2 is equals to 8x minus 8. Now this one, to do this, first of all, let us bring the constants to one side and the variables to another side. So left side I am bringing the variables. 3x is already on the left hand side, plus 8x upon bringing to left hand minus 8x. Already minus 8 is on the right hand side, plus 2 upon changing minus 2. So 3x minus 8x is minus 5x is equals to minus 10. Since negative sign is on both sides, let us multiply with minus on both sides. Now it will get cancelled. The value will be equal to 5x equals to 10, or the value of x will be 10 by 5, which is equals to 2. So it is a simple equation. సామాన్య సమీకరణం, x చరరాశి, ఒకే ఒక చరరాశి, అది 2. సో x ఈక్వల్ టు 2 ఈజ్ ద సొల్యూషన్. అంటే ఇది సామాన్య సమీకరణం. నెంబర్ లైన్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు ఏకైక సాధన ఉంటుంది. ఇది నెంబర్ లైన్ మనకి ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. దీని దగ్గర x ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్కడ ఉంది? దిస్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ. సో y అనగానే వర్టికల్ నెంబర్ లైన్ తీసుకుంటాం మనం. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద పర్టికులర్ పాయింట్. సో దట్స్ ఆల్. So that is the solution for this same. Now Cartesian plane means we have to assume it as two variables. So that is x plus 0y minus 2 equals to 0. The same only. This is the A. Let us think that this is B. So now X can be varied. Y if you take any value, Y 1 తీసుకోండి, 0 into 1 0 మారదు సమీకరణం. 2 -1 -2 అంటే Y ఏ విలువ తీసుకున్నా సరే కూడా మారదు. X ఎప్పుడు 2 అవుతుంది. So X equal to 2, simply I am writing. So Y values differently we will take. So before that, again draw the horizontal reference number line, vertical reference number line. Here the x-axis and y-axis I am going to represent. So this is the origin. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here it is -1 -2 -3 -4 and -5. Here it is 1 2 3 -1 -2 and -3. Now it is clear. Now since if we assume it as two variables, అంటే y different values ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. x విలువ మాత్రం 2 అంటే x is 2, y is 2, y is 0, and x is 2, y is 1, x is 2, y is also 2, x is 2, y is 3. Why? Because x should be fixed. Y will take any different values. So this is, so these are all of the points which are satisfying this equation only. So by joining these all the points, you will get a straight line, which it is nothing but the common property is x is equals to 2 is the common property which it is satisfying for every point on this Cartesian plane. So if you assume it is as a two variable equation, it has infinitely many solutions. అంటే దాన్ని రెండు చరరాశుల్లో ఉన్న రేఖీయ సమీకరణంగా గాని అనుకుంటే x విలువ అనేది y ఏం తీసుకున్నా మారదు. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, y 1 తీసుకోండి, x విలువ 0 into y మారదు. అంటే 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 -1 2 అన్ని కూడా ఇచ్చినటువంటి సమీకరణాన్ని తృప్తిపరిచేవే. అలా మనం ఇంకా చాలా బిందువులు గుర్తించుకోవచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. I think it is clear, children, everyone. So this is on the number line and this is on the Cartesian plane. So with this, actually the graphs are completed. We have 2 or 3 questions are left. I think, children, it is now your turn. So why? Because those are simple questions and you can able to answer. I will see that how many of you can able to do that. And before that, let us check the questions once. Write the equation of line parallel to x-axis and passing through this point. సో ఇక్కడ 4 క్వశ్చన్లు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ కి అంటే ఏంటంటే మనం చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే x అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉండే రేఖ సమీకరణమే కావాలి. కాకపోతే అది ఫస్ట్ది. సో ముందు నేను ఒక్కసారి రివైజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. x అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉండే రేఖ ఎప్పుడు కూడా y is equal to k రూపంలో ఉంటుంది. అంటే y దూరమే దానికి ఉంటుంది, x దూరంతో సంబంధం లేదు మనకి. y is equal to something. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆ రేఖ మీద ఈ బిందువు ఉందని అన్నారు. ఇక్కడ x తో మనకు సంబంధం లేదు, ఇది y అంటే x అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉంది కాబట్టి y is equals to k. ఇక్కడ y విలువ ఎంత? ఆర్ x దిశలో x అక్షం నుంచి దూరం y దిశలో దూరం ఎంత ఉంది? -3. అలాగా ఈ రేఖ మీద ఏ బిందువు తీసుకున్నా y -3 ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే x దిశలో దూరం మారొచ్చేమో కానీ y దిశలో దూరం ఎప్పుడు కూడా సమానంగా ఉండేటప్పుడే అది x అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా ఉంటుంది. సో దేర్ఫోర్ equation of line parallel to x-axis and passing through 0, -3 is, here I am writing. So it is parallel to x-axis. So y is equals to -3 is the answer. I think it is clear. So only the simple point is -0, -3. So y equal to -3. Now, children, it is your turn. So don't give all at a time. One by one I will ask, and how many of you can able to reply, I will see that. And here, if you can observe, the second question you can take 0, 4. Yes, now I want the equation of the line parallel to x-axis and passing through 0, 4. Yes, Laivardhan has given the answer. And next, yes, Hazib Ali also given, and Muni, some different name I'm reading now. Yes, also given the correct answer. And Cherukuri Nandakumar, yes, new one, I think, has also given the correct answer. And Hazivali, as I already said that, Layavardhan, also I just Tarun Sai, yes, children, Manikanta also given the correct answer. Bhavani Pushpa, yes, Sri Lakshmi Satvika, good. And next, Ashwani Dasari also given the correct answer. Govardhan Goa, yes. So these all the children has given the correct answer, and so many are now it is scrolling like anything. So the answer for this question is, so the second question is 0, comma 4. It is passing. Since it is parallel to x-axis, the equation will be y is equals to 4. That's all. That k fixed distance is y distance 4. That's all. Now, children, the next one for you. Next answer I want. Quickly, let us respond. Yes, all are writing 4, 4, 4, not 4. You should give the equation y equals to 4 like that. Yes, now the next question is 2 comma minus 5. Now I want the equation of the line parallel to x-axis and passing through 2 comma 5. If it is parallel to x-axis, no doubt that y equal to, yes, very good children. Already Tarun Sai has given, yes, Tarun Sai has given the answer, and Janaki Sharma, you did mistake much, check it once. Yes, as I said, Tarun Sai has given the correct answer, and Layavardhan also given the correct answer. Purna Naudu also given the correct answer. Sri Lakshmi Satvika, good. Yes, Boddu Sai Pavan, yes, Govardhan Go also given the correct answer. Tarun Sai, as I said, Srinivasarao Battula also given the correct answer. Bhavani Pushpa given the correct answer. Rijwana, Sheikh Rijwana also given that. Well done, children. Applause to you all. Very good. And it is a simple one. I think it is very clear for you. And most of them has given the answers in the chat box also. Well done. Very good. And as I said that it is parallel to x-axis, it will be in the form y equal to k. And that k is y distance, which is equals to y equals to minus 5. At last one. 3 comma 4 is the point through which the line should pass, and it is parallel to x-axis. Now, yes, quickly give your answers, children, once again. Yes, it is simple one, and as we did previously, the same model, and all are giving the previous answers only. Still I am getting the previous answers. Yes. The first one who has Nagu Nagamani has given the correct answer. Ashwani Dasari also given the correct answer. Layavardhan given the correct answer. Tarun Sai, Praveen Sira, sorry, yes, Pavan Sira also given. Shruti, you have given only 4, but y equal to 4 should be correct. So that is, and Janaki 0 also given, and Siva Lingeshwar Rao also given the correct answer. Layavardhan, as I said, Ashwani Dasari, good children, very good. Well done, all of you. Yes, all they have given. Tulasi Sri, Tulasi Sai, Janaki Sharma, yes, Bhavani, yes, Sai Pavan, Boddu Sai Pavan, and Govardhan. Yes, children, very good. So since it is parallel to x-axis, y equal to k, and that y distance is 4, so y equal to 4 will be the equation for this also. I think it is clear. Now, only the equations are only asked passing through. We are moving to the next question. Write the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point. As it is simple and you know that, but once again, I will explain the first question. Since it is parallel to y-axis, line parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis and passing through the point minus 4 comma 0 is, as we know that if it is parallel to y-axis, the equation will be in the form x is equal to constant. That means x distance is constant. So x distance is constant for every number. That means here x distance is how much for the first question? Minus 4. So the equation will be equals to x is equals to minus 4, or else x plus 4 equals to 0 will be the required equation. So that is, since it is parallel to y-axis, the equation format will be x equal to k. X distance is constant for every number. Since this is the point which it is passing, x distance is minus 4 from this point. It is very clear. So the answer for this equation is x equals to minus 4, or x plus 4 equals to 0. Now, children, it is your turn, and quickly give the answer for the next one, 2 comma 0. So what is the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and passing through 2, 0? Yes. Yes, yes. The first one who has given Layavardhan, and once again this time, and Sai Suguna also new one has given the correct answer. Sai Suguna this time, and Kalisha Vale has given all the 4 answers at a time. Purna Naudu also given all the 4 answers. Well done, very good. Layavardhan, as I already said that. Yes. Dinesh Kumar also given, and Sri Pavan, Boddu Sri Pavan has also given, and Manikanta, good. Sheikh Rizwana also given, Sai Guna also given, Shahul. Shahul has also given, Srinivas Rao Battula also given, Muni also given the correct answer. Well done, children. Very good. And I think most of them has given, and each and every one has given the correct answer. So the equation for this is x equal to 2. Similarly, go for the next question, children. What would be the next question? Yes, 3, 5. This is now again the same idea. So again we need the equation of the line parallel to y-axis, and it should passing through 3, since it is the line parallel to y-axis, the equation general format will be x equal to some constant. That x distance is constant. Here, what is the x distance in this point? Since it is the solution, so x equal to 3 will be the answer. Yes. So therefore, as most of the children has given the answer, so the equation of the line which is parallel to y-axis and passing through 3, 5 is x equals to 3. That's all. And finally, the fourth one, which it is last one, children, and now you can give your answer. -4, -3. It is passing through -4, -3, and that should be the equation parallel to y-axis. Yes. So still now I did not get. I am getting the last answer. Yes. Oh yes, Livardhan has given this time first, and yes, children. Next, Bhavani Pushpa has also given the correct answer. Somashekar also given the correct answer. Somashekar also given. And Sri Pavan, you have given the, I think, lost answer. Now I think typing lately. Sivalingeshwara also given the correct answer. Bhavani Pushpa, as I said, and Sudarshan Razu also given, and Pavan, yes, Sheikh Rizwana, good, Layavardhan, all they have given the correct answer. Kalesha Wali, Sri Pavan, Haziwali, yes, well done, children, well done. I think it is clear for you, everyone, and why? Because all of them have given the correct answers, and all you know that the concept, and it is very clear. And finally, I am reviewing that the answer for this is x is equals to -4, or we can write in an equation format x plus 4 equals to 0. So from this, I am going to conclude that, children, if any line parallel to y-axis will be in the form x equal to k, అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక రేఖ y అక్షానికి సమాంతరంగా గాని ఉన్నట్లయితే అది ఏ రూపంలో ఉంటుందంటే x ఈక్వల్ టు k రూపంలో ఉంటుంది. ఈ k అనేది ఏంటంటే x దిశలో దూరం స్థిరం, y దిశలో దూరం మారుతూ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ప్రతి బిందువుకి x దిశలో ఉండే దూరం స్థిరంగా ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ బిందువు గుండా పోతున్నారు. ఈ బిందువు మీద x దిశలో దూరం మనకు తెలిసింది కాబట్టి ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమవుతుందంటే x ఈక్వల్స్ టు -4 ఆర్ x ప్లస్, ఇది 2, 0 గుండా పాస్ అవుతుంది, అంటే పోతుంది. కాబట్టి x ఈక్వల్ టు 2 ఇస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్, and it is passing through 3, 5. X equal to 3 is the equation, and finally it is passing through -4, -3. So x equal to -4 అనేది our x సమీకరణం అవుతుంది. Therefore finally x plus 4 will be equals to 0. So with this, this is completed, children, and we have only one problem only left, and that is also a simple question, and we will finish it anyway. So we will move to the last question of this particular exercise, and not only the exercise, the complete chapter, linear equations in 2 variable, and last exercise, and it is exercise is simple question based on simple answers only, and first 3 questions are based on the little bit graph, that is both on the number line as well as on the Cartesian plane, and now the remaining are based on the values. Now we will move to the last question of this particular exercise or the chapter. Write the equations of three lines that are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Children, observe that. Here, again the same. It is our wish. It is asked. So first one is, we need any three equations that are parallel to x-axis. So first question is parallel to x-axis. As we discussed previously that if the line is parallel to x-axis, if the line is parallel to x-axis, as we know that it will be in the format of y is equals to k. Any line parallel to x-axis will be in the format of y is equal to k. That is why that k will be constant and it is fixed. Now you can give different values of y. So for example, y equal to 1 or y equal to 3 or y equal to -4. This y equal to 1 we will write it as y minus 1 equals to 0, and y equal to 3 which will be y minus 3 equal to 0, and y equal to -4 can be written as y plus 4 equals to 0. Either we can write like this or like this, anything is same. So since the line is parallel to x-axis, so this model we have already discussed. Anyway, I'm going to complete quickly. That is simple thing only. So here the explanation is not that much needed. మనకి తెలిసిందే. If it is parallel to x-axis అంటే y equal to k రూపంలో ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ k అనేది స్థిర రాశి అంటే అది y equal to అంటే y దిశలో 1 యూనిట్ దూరంలో ఉండొచ్చు అన్ని బిందువులు. y equal to 3 3 యూనిట్ల దూరంలో అన్ని బిందువులు ఉండొచ్చు. y equal to -4 నెగటివ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో 4 యూనిట్. So the equations will be y minus 1 equal to 0, y minus 3 equal to 0, y plus. So in the same way, now it is your turn, children. I want the answers from you all. You have to give the three equations now parallel to y-axis. Please try to give the answers for this one. Your own parallel to y-axis. Yes, children, I need the answers. All the three. So if it is the line parallel to y-axis, what is the general format? Let us think of once. What is the general format? And now, yes, very good. So Dinesh Kumar has given that x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to -3, x equal to 6. Well done. Very good, children. So it is x equal to. Very good. Dinesh has given, and not only that, live version also given x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. Yes. Tarun sa x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 5. Guna. And Lavanya Kumari differently given x equal to -6, x equal to -4, x equal to -7. Well done, children. All are giving different answers. Yes, sir. Next, Surya Narayan Reddy B. X equal to 5, x equal to 7, x equal to -1, x equal to -4. Well done. And some have given the 1 answer. Well done. Anyone? Kaleshavali has given the correct answer. I have no need to read the answers. And Sudarshan Razu also given the Cherukuri Nandakumar. Oh, given different answers. Well done. X equal to 153, x equal to -153, and x equal to 1123. Yes, children. So we can able to give any number like that. But the common property is the line which it is parallel to y-axis will be in the format of x is equals to k. Well done. All they have given all the three answers, and some children have given more than 3 answers also. So that is, so the general format will be equals to x is equals to k. We can able to, x distance is fixed. That x distance we can able to take any value. So that will be x is equals to 2. If I take, the equation will be x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to -5 if I take, that will be x plus 5 will be equals to 0. X equal to -7, suppose it will be something different. So x plus 7 will be equals to 0. So these are the three equations. Likewise, we can able to write, yes, so many. Oh, Somashekar also given different way. X equal to 222, 444, 555, 999. Good. And now Sudarshan Razu also given differently. X equal to 2 lakhs, x equal to 3 lakhs, x equal to 4 lakhs. Yes, well done, children. Very good. So all of the lines, no doubt at all, parallel to y-axis and fixed distance. Well done, children. So with this, actually, the topic complete linear equations in two variables has finished. As previously I said that it is the starting concept. In this 9th class only it is introduced, and no doubt at all, this basic idea you should have that. So I think based on your answers and based on your reply, I thought that everybody has understood. And with this, we are going to conclude. And tomorrow we will plan quiz on quizzes. So you be ready with the total concept what we have discussed. విద్యార్థులందరూ రేపు క్విజ్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను కాబట్టి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యారండి. సో బై టుమారో వీఆర్ కన్క్లూడింగ్ ద టాపిక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్. బాయ్.
Thank you very much, sir. My dear students, we are so much thankful to Naidu sir. నిజంగా 2 చాప్టర్లు మీరు చెప్పిన 2 చాప్టర్లు చాలా క్లియర్ కట్గా క్రిస్టల్ క్లియర్గా పిల్లలకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. పిల్లలు కూడా అలాగే పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు. మనకు వచ్చినటువంటి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ కూడా అలానే ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ ఏ గ్రేట్ క్లాస్ ఫర్ అవర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. అండ్ ఆల్సో డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, డోంట్ మిస్ టుమారో బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ డే. యాక్చువల్గా మీరు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారో మాకు తెలిసేకి, అలాగే మీరు ఎంతవరకు మేము చెప్పిన దాన్ని రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నారో అని తెలిసేకి టుమారో ఇస్ ద క్రూషియల్ డే బికాస్ సార్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు కండక్ట్ క్విజెస్ on this chapter. So don't miss tomorrow's class. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you Shankar.
Thank you sir. Any works ఉన్నప్పటికీ యాక్చువల్లీ వీఆర్ ఇన్ ద స్పెషల్ ట్రైనింగ్స్ అండ్ వర్క్షాప్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. మాకు టీచర్స్ ట్రైనింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ వర్క్షాప్స్ కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి. ఇన్స్పైట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దట్, సో వాటిని అన్నిటినీ మేనేజ్ చేసుకుంటూ కూడా సార్ ఇంత నీట్గా యాక్చువల్గా పవర్ పాయింట్ ప్రజెంటేషన్ చేయడం అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ టఫ్ టాస్క్ టు క్రియేట్ పవర్ పాయింట్ ప్రజెంటేషన్ డైలీ. అది కూడా ఏదో 1-2 రోజులు అంటే సమస్య లేదు, డైలీ క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని ఎంతో సమయాన్ని మన కోసం వెచ్చించి చేస్తున్నటువంటి నాయుడు సార్ గారికి మరొకసారి అందరి తరపున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను సార్. సార్ టుమారో వీ విల్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ ద క్విజ్ సార్.
Okay.
Thank you children. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Okay. Naidu sir.
Okay.